I really do like the way this smells. Like, not only is it fried, but there's cinnamon sugar. And there's cinnamon sugar in the whipped cream. Do we need footage of me eating it? Because I'll eat it. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it. Oh my gosh. This needs sprinkles. Why didn't I think of that? One more bite. Okay. If you guys have ever been curious about how to make fried ice cream at home, like, comment, and subscribe, and watch this video right here, right now. All right, I never do this, but I really wanted to point this out, that my egg mixture looks a little funky, but it's got a little bit of melted ice cream, a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and it's just gonna add to the overall flavor, so don't even worry about it. So I know fried ice cream sounded a little intimidating, but you saw me make it right here, right now. Hopefully you picked up a couple tips and tricks to enjoy this dish at home. See you guys later.